Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure checking out the Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens here on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. So here we are at the Visitor Center for Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens. This is the first thing that you will see, a map of Waimea Valley. Here you can see the river or the stream that leads out to the Pacific Ocean. That is a crucial role that played here for the valley. Here is the gift shop that once you enter the visitor center. You can also grab something to eat from these vendors before entering the botanical garden. The Waimea Valley Botanical Garden is known to have a waterfall. Here you can look at these beautiful banyan trees, and it's kind of like a trail that leads to the waterfall, a paved trail that is. And while you're on the trail, you can check out many of these botanical gardens. So Waimea Valley contains 60 botanical gardens according to my research. That is a lot to check out. But here you can also have some private events. And yeah, so Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens is located on the north shore of Oahu, close to Haleiwa. Here you can see how Waimea is honored. And yeah, so I really recommend visiting this place too if you find yourself in Hawaii. And here's another map. And here you can see many of the gardens. Here we are at the ticket booth, and you can check out many of these sites. And at the end, you will get to swim in the waterfall. And here is the admission. You have to pay an admission to go in, and here are the prices. And yeah, so let's go ahead and enter the garden. So once we've paid our admission, here's one of many things that you'll see here. I believe the trail takes about 30 to 45 minutes from the visitor center to the waterfall. And here you can check out many of these sites and learn more about Hawaii's agriculture. And here you can check out these informative displays. Pretty cool. And yeah, so the trail that leads to the waterfall is all paved. I believe you can take one of those small shuttles for a fee. But for me, myself, we're gonna walk and enjoy what this place has to offer. And here you can see that one of many streams that leads out to the Pacific Ocean. So here is one of the things that you'll see. You'll see this tree, and as we pan to our left, you can learn more about the habitat of Hawaii and many of these informative displays, the ecosystem. And yeah, so let's go ahead and continue on towards the waterfall. So as you can see, the trail to the waterfall, like I said, is all paved. you would have no problem. And here is a perfect photo opportunity here that you can take. Waimea Valley. Really love the display here. And yeah. And here you have one of these huts. And here you can check one of many gardens here in Waimea Valley. Pretty cool to check out and learn more about the plants. And of course, each garden, as you walk along towards the waterfall, has its own theme. Here you can also walk along those stairs and take more of some beautiful photos. And yeah. So here's the path. And just look at this beautiful scenery here. And if you're into hikes, I've done many hikes here in Hawaii, and so far this is the easiest hike since it's paved. And here you have this cool game site. You can learn more about how the native Hawaiians played games. And yeah, so here's the trail. So here's the bridge that crosses the main stream for Waimea Valley. And this is the stream from the waterfall that we are about to check out. So as you walk towards the waterfall, here you have one of these vendors in a restroom before you head to the waterfall, which is right over there. So here's we are on the bridge, and here is the beautiful waterfall that you can actually swim. So this is the if you're going to Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens, you must check this waterfall out, and you can actually swim depending on the conditions. And be sure to bring your swim trunks or bathing suit, and they also have changing rooms. So if you happen to find yourself in Hawaii on the island of Oahu, I really recommend heading to the North Shore to check out this beautiful waterfall. And here's a closer look at the Waimea Valley Botanical Garden waterfall. This is the main thing that you go if you're checking out the Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens. So yeah, and as you can see, as we pan out, you can see there are many people swimming next to the waterfall. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the adventure of Waimea Valley Botanical Garden. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on next one.